Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for viewing. Viewers, today I want to speak to you about the Haval H6. In particular, I want to speak to you today about its camera systems. Now, I'm not going to speak to you about the entirety of the camera systems as they are quite intricate and there's a vast amount of things to know about it. However, there's a few nifty tips and tricks that I want to show you. Let's jump right in. Okay, welcome back viewers. We're back in the car. Alright, so what I want to show you today is pertaining to your camera system. And you know that you can browse when you go there, you can browse through all the different cameras that it has, 2D and 3D mode. This will be the 2D mode and this will be the 3D mode, and you can also drag it around the car, see the view from above. Then also you can change the color of the car and all that jazz. What I want to show you is far easier than that. My videos are not voiced over. It's only because I remove the background noises such as the fans and the inverters and everything that it sounds like I've done a voiceover, but in fact I haven't. Now what I want to show you is if there's an instance where you approach an intersection and you need to be able to see the curb beyond. We all know if the steering wheel is on the right hand side of the car, the correct side, it's easy to see on the right side. But if there is a curb on the left hand side of the vehicle, you will not be able to see your wheels. If there's a curb and you need to pull up to the curb like this, how do you see your wheels? Easy. You drive forward, turn the cameras on, just engage your indicator on this side. You see, you can see exactly what that wheel is doing. Easy as that. The same for the right. If you turn on the right hand side, you will be able to see exactly what's going on the right hand side of the vehicle. Okay, what I also want to show you is, let's put this in park. You can engage the camera system and go through and browse through here and see what's going on. If you tap on this one, the magnifying glass, for the sides you will be able to see what's happening at the back wheels as well as at the front wheels. Those are the front wheels and those are the back wheels. I don't know if you've known that. Also, what you can do is, on a normal view, while the cameras are engaged, if you tap on the star button here, you will be changing the camera views. Forward, rear, on the left, on the right, forward. So you can change the view by simply tapping on the star button here. So guys, that's it for now. We will do another in-depth view of the camera system, but for now that is what I have wanted to show you. I hope you have learned something today. If this is the content you like seeing, please consider subscribing. Until then, I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.